Hello guys, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. I'm happy to be in your presence today. Today we are having punch card number 2 again. You may be asking why punch card number 2 is an amazing punch card. It goes with all this button here. Is it you want to knit tux pattern, slip pattern, or two color knitting pattern? Is an amazing punch card. So today we are going to try it with slip pattern, and you are going to love it. The effect is very beautiful. So we are going to go into it right now and see how we can use this punch card number 2 for slip pattern. So come along, let's see. So guys, you can see card 2 right now in my knitting machine. I've already fixed. You don't need to clip, just make sure you didn't allow it to touch the table, or just make sure you roll it to be equal so that it won't be dangling under your table where you keep your knitting machine. Just make sure it's up a little bit. So that's it. The mouth is up, the two edges are up right now, because I'm going to keep it on hold throughout the knitting. So it's going to be on hold. So right now the card is on hold. Then I'm going to inform my knitting machine, here, that I'm going into punch card knitting. Then I'm going to knit one row. That's it. Then I'm going to press these two buttons at the right side, the two buttons together at the right side, just like that. Like that, for slip pattern, slip stitches. Then I'm going to go ahead right now and knit 8 rows. So 8 rows right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can see what we have. So right now I'm going to press this button, to release slip pattern button, but the pattern controls knob is still on. So I'm going to knit 4 rows. Remember, I did not change my color. I'm going to knit 4 rows right now. That's 4 rows, guys. Then right now I'm going to change my color and repeat the process in another color. So using white right now. So I'm going to press the slip pattern button and knit 8 rows. Remember, my card is still on hold. So I'm going to knit 8 rows right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's it, 8 rows. Then I'm going to release this button, to cancel the slip stitches pattern button. That's it, and knit 4 rows. My card is still on hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see what we have. You can see the slip stitches here. It's forming a loop along the back of the knitting. So you can see it. So right now I'm going to change my yarn. Then press this for slip pattern. Then knit 8 rows of ash color right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to cancel it and knit 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see. Then this is how I'm going to be, interchanging the colors, and the process of canceling these slip stitches, then knit plain with 4 rows, just like that. You can decide to use multiple colors. This is in 2. You can decide to use 8 or 7 colors, and you can decide to shorten the rows if you wish. It can be 4 rows. You cancel the slip stitches and knit 2 rows. You can just decide to choose any number of rows you want to use. So let's do this one more time. So changing the color right now, and fit this. The card is still on hold. Then press slip button pattern together, the 2 buttons together. Knit 8 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then cancel it and knit 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to off all the setting right now for us to see what we have knitted.